welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today from Louis Vuitton. This item I have been waiting for a long time, and this item is very hard to get. I have asked in my essay before Christmas, and she tried so hard to get this for me. Finally, 2 days ago, she called me and said the item is arrived at the store. Then I can come and pick it up. The store here is not open yet, but they only do the order for the customer. And this is this. I'm so excited. And let's open it. The Louis Vuitton, they tie the bow is really pretty, but it's hard to take it out. Okay, I'm planning to get this item for my daughter, and it's for her birthday. And the first that I want to see this. Can you guess what is this? This is the receipt. Louis Vuitton. I'll show you this. Have a personal information in there. And this is what it is. They come in this first bag like this. And this is the Nano Speedy monogram. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Now, inside they have a Louis Vuitton made in France. Here, right here, you can see. I hope you can see it. And inside it, no pocket. Nothing there. Here is the code. I'm sorry because the sun is so bright and you cannot see it. And this is the letter. Yep, it's tiny. I have a Speedy 25, so very small, but this is super tiny. You see it fit on my hand like that. But I know I heard a lot of people say it fit a lot. That's it. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.